Alright guys, Lincoln Hills on a crispy Thursday night. I think right now it's probably close to 5:30, so I just have my light on my bike and we're going to turn the helmet lights on in a little while. Probably, I figure about 30 minutes we should be in really dark conditions, so it's going to be so much fun. Man, I love this trail. I love night riding. I love this 60-degree weather in November. Are you kidding me? In Michigan? I know I've said it the last few times out, guys, so I don't mean to be a broken record, but man, I love night riding. I know a lot of other guys do it. I've seen online a lot of guys do, but if you're one of the ones that don't or haven't, oh man, get yourself a headlight, a helmet light, whatever. It is so much fun. It just, you know, it just changes the whole dynamic of everything. You can ride a trail 10, 15 times in one season, but you know what? You ride it once in the dark, it's a completely different trail. And last time we did a night ride, we were at Cedar Creek, which is, you know, a 50-inch trail, or as Brian calls them, a quad, damn it. This time we wanted to do it right, some single. I love that. I love the little elevation changes. I mean, it's not anything here, but I mean, it's just, I like it because there's a lot of little up and down hill. Get on the trail. Whoa. So we're going left, right, on the MCCC?
Well, we're gonna go to the right.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, left is the bridge.
Ah.
Left is the bridge. too busy like, you know, like.
See that? Helmet light, headlight. My headlight's so bright. And the helmet light for me is just so I can look up into the corners. Okay, Brian was saying that this part coming up is the more tighter where it gets into the rolly hill section, so I'm gonna slow down and enjoy it. That's what it's about. I guess we're already like 9 miles into this trail. Not sure how big Lincoln Hills is. I believe it's around 20, maybe a few miles over. I can't remember, and neither can Brian. But the section we're coming up to is the fun part. Oh yeah, here we go. Come here, dear. No, I'm just kidding. I was just being a smartass. I don't mean that. Those leaves were kind of slippery right there. I remember that tree. Yeah, it's actually just epic conditions. I think when we left the truck it was, you know, today was a high of like 63. When we left the truck, I want to say it was like, I don't know, 53, 54 degrees. I think it's supposed to get down to about 48, which isn't bad. I mean, that's nothing. I'm actually hot right now. I'm sweating. Alright guys, we are almost back. We probably got about, I don't know, 3 miles tops. And once again, my GoPro battery is in the yellow. So I'm just going to record until it dies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this night ride. I know I did. It's kind of sad that my season's come to an end, I think. But like I said in the beginning of the video, man, if you guys ever try riding at night, you'll love it. Alright, I'm gonna quit talking so I can ride. As weird as it feels, I mean, you should look into your corners anyways, but it's really important, especially at night. Oh, there we are. I knew we were close, but I didn't know we were this close. The trucks.